video will show you how to create a maintenance event using the Sigilo Fleet Management Android app. Begin by selecting Job Selection, searching for the equipment, and select Maintenance option under the Job Selection menu. We are presented with a list of parts in the maintenance list, such as air filter, brakes, grease, hydro oil, oil filter, spark plugs, tires. In order to create a new event, I'm going to click on the button on the bottom left. I'm presented with a screen that will allow me to choose a custom field that I want to enter, such as pulley, hit OK, and then I can select pulley and enter in the cost. I can add in extra notes, update the new hour meter reading, say the hours the event took, and hit OK. I have created a maintenance event using the Sigilo Fleet Management. You can view the event I have created by going to the main menu and clicking View Reports. Then click on Event Report, and we are presented with a summary of events that I have created, detailing the equipment name, event, and cost of the event.